3 by 5 minute rounds, bout judges a whole knees to the head of a grounded opponent are perfectly legal. Here's Dom Lau.
Now we have 3 5-minute rounds of middleweight MMA. Introducing first, out of the blue corner, he is a former 2 Division 1 world champion, standing at 6 feet and 1 inch tall, weighing in at 204 pounds, holding a mixed martial arts record of 27 wins and 13 losses. Training out of Killcliff FC, representing Myanmar, the Burmese Python, Ong La Un And introducing his opponent out of the red corner, he stands at 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 204 pounds, holding a mixed martial arts record of 37 wins and 14 losses. Training out of X-Fight, representing Japan, Yushin Thunder Okami. And when the action begins, your referee in charge, Mr. Herb Dean.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. You've touched gloves. Let's get ready to fight.
You heard the crowd pop after Dom Lau's announcement. Ong La Un Sung, the national megastar of Myanmar. And you know what? Unless you've been to Myanmar and you've experienced being with Ong La, seeing him fight there, seeing him walk down the street, you just don't know what it's about. He is massive in Myanmar. And the chants go up for Ong La early. Southpaw stance for Yushin Okami. Look for the steel pipe right hand of Ong La. There's a high right round kick early on.
And he's got a really good kicking technique, especially from that right side. But Yushin shoots in right away, chooses to pull guard. Nice little takedown defense right there from Ong La Un Sung. But this is ultimately where Yushin wants to be. He's got one butterfly hook. Now let's see if he can try to sweep. So we might try to elevate his right leg to create a sweep or a reversal of Ong La.
The chants ring around the game for Ong La Un Sung. He's been breaking people in the gym inside of 2 rounds, he told us. Says Okami won't last longer than 2 rounds. He's going to break Okami tonight. And referee Herb Dean allows Okami to stand up. Front kick there from Ong La.
Oh, Ong La is taking those toes to the belly. I know what that feels like. Michael, that is not a pleasant feeling.
Ong La goes to the body shot.
Ong La's looking sharp early on.
Oh, he caught it! Ong La stung him! Ong La stung him! Here he goes! Can he finish? This place going bananas! Can Ong La finish Okami?
Yushin's being smart. He's staying composed. He's a veteran. He knows what to do to stay to survive.
Okami defending! Ong La the knees! It's over! It's over! It's good now already! Pandemonium inside the Singapore Indoor Stadium. He did as he promised. He broke Yushin Okami. Boom with the knee. That was the beginning of the end. And from here on, it was an all-out assault from Ong La Un Sung, pounding away at a hapless Okami. Have a look again here. Okami came to shoot in and walked straight into an Ong La knee from the depths of hell. Ong La unloading on Okami. The icon faces the legend. Let's go to Dom Lau, make it all official.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee, Mr. Herb Dean, has called a stop to this contest after 1 minute and 42 seconds in the very first round. For your winner, by way of technical knockout, Ong Sang!
Here's back. Ong Sang is back. Tremendous sportsmanship shown by these two stars. Two gentlemen, two men exuding the Bushido spirit of martial arts. And with the photo of the late Anthony Rumble Johnson, Ong Sang, the victor tonight, in a fashion that Rumble would have been proud of.
Ong La, I know this fight meant a lot to you. I can see the picture of Anthony Rumble Johnson. Tell us what is going through your mind right now.
So Anthony passed away during this week, and it's been pretty hard. But I know what Myanmar is going through too, you know. So this fight was very hard for me, but I put a lot of work into it and dedication to it. And I'm thankful for God for blessing me with this victory. Thankful for my team at Killcliff FC. Thank you for all my support from Myanmar, and thank you, Singapore. I'm thankful for One Championship, for giving us this wonderful platform. Chatri, thank you. And Singapore crowd, you guys are amazing. Thank you. It's nice to fight in front of the crowd. Thank you, guys. Hey, one more thing, Myanmar, I'm praying for you guys. You know, the last 2 years have been very hard on us. I love you guys, and it's been hard for our country. I wanna keep praying for you guys, and I want to let you know that, like, what's getting me through is my belief in God, and He's giving me peace, and I'm always praying for you guys. I love you guys.
It was a great fight, an excellent performance, one of your best. Unfortunately, you missed weight, so you're not eligible for a bonus, but you didn't make it, but you would have 100% got the bonus, but you did get your BJJ brown belt, which is a huge accomplishment. What do you want the next time you set foot inside the circle?
Well, I know Chatri had a fight for the middleweight title fight against a Russian newcomer. Why not let me be the gatekeeper? Why not let me welcome him to One Championship? How does that sound, guys? Let's do it. Or it doesn't matter. I'll fight anybody, anytime, anywhere. Let's go.
I know you want fun fights, and it's fun every single time Ong Sang sets foot inside the circle. Singapore, show your love to your winner, Ong